By this point, you are ready to move on to the next set of lessons, which is called the complete palette. The complete palette is set up almost exactly the same as the common palette, but as I said before, the lessons do get a little bit more challenging. If I click on, for example, speed control, again, you still have the challenge brief that shows you what your robot's going to do. You still have your building guide and you still have your programming guide. But if you look at your programming guide, you're going to notice that your blocks are slightly different. So I want to draw your attention all the way to the left where you're used to seeing your different set of buttons. And all the way a little bit further down to the bottom, you're going to see this one has a green circle, this one has 3 colorful blocks, and this one has the blue bars for the custom palette, which you would have created a custom one, I believe, for Drive in a Square. So if I click on the center one, this is the complete palette. Okay, the buttons that you're familiar with are still under this common button, which is the green circle, but now you also have some different options. Okay, so it's telling us that we want to add a weight, which is located right here, and then click on next. That should say forever. Good. Now I want to go to the sensors, and I want to add a sound sensor into the center here. Okay, no changes to be made. I'm going to go ahead and add a move block. Okay, we are good here. I see an orange arrow, so I see that I want to make an unlimited change. Okay, now what it's doing is it's drawing your attention to the bottom part of this block. If I click on it, it's actually going to bring me down a drop-down menu. So I'm going to go ahead, scroll over, and then click, and you'll see the same options appear. Go next. Now, I want to draw your attention. This is called threading. Okay, what you want to do is you actually want to make a connection between the sound level here and the power level. Now, you see that it has this curve here. Many students mess this up, and I want to show you how to do it. What you're going to do is you're going to click once, let go. You'll see if I kind of move my mouse around, okay, it has all the different changes. I am currently not holding the mouse down. Okay, I currently have no hands on the mouse. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to make a connection to the power level. So I'm going to just go ahead and click a second time, and you'll see that it automatically makes that curve for me. So again, I click once, and then go ahead and click again in order to end it. Do not hold or drag your mouse down or anything like that. Okay. Step 11 tells me I now want to minimize. So I'm going to come up here, click once, and now you're going to see it has a straight level. I'm going to go ahead and download. So you have now made a connection between the sound level and the power level, which if you go back to your challenge brief, you'll see that the louder the sound, the faster your robot is going to go.